Welcome to our third Tractor and Farm Machinery compilation. Join us as we watch real tractors and big machinery working on the farm. There goes the big red tractor with the hole borer attached to the back of it. We're heading out to a paddock to dig a big deep hole. We'll put a fence post in the hole to build a new fence. Uncle Dustin drives forward and spins the auger to get the dirt off. This is the green John Deere tractor spreading urea on a wheat crop. Urea is a man-made nitrogen and is food for the plants. Let's watch the tractor in action. The red tractor uses its bucket to push up branches that have been burning. The tractor is down in the big sand pit, digging up a bucket of yellow sand. This will be used for some farm jobs like concreting. Now there's a big cutter blade attached to the back of the red tractor. We are cutting the tops off the Tagasasti bushes. Tagasasti is a hardy shrub that is food for the cattle and the sheep. The Tagasasti bushes need cutting every 2 to 3 years. job is to grade the farm driveway. The farm roads get eroded due to rain and big heavy machinery driving on them, especially the driveway, which is the entrance road to the farm. Lots of really big and heavy trucks and tractors drive along there. The grader attachment at the back smooths the road. We dig a trench so that water can easily drain off the road. Thanks for joining us for our special tractor and farm machinery compilation. Check out our channel for more exciting farm videos for kids.